look at why does x to the 0 power equal 1? What is really happening here? Why is 9 to the 0 power equal to 1? So we really want to look at and understand it through the lens of our exponent rules. When we divide an exponent like x to the 5th divided by x to the 3rd, we learn that we subtract 5 minus 3. We subtract the two exponents when we divide. And that would be x squared. So again, why do we do that? What's happening? X to the 5th means x times x times x 5 times. X to the 3rd means x times x times x. So what's really happening here is you start with 5 on top and the 3 on the bottom. But as we cancel them, right, 1, 2, 3 get canceled. 3 get subtracted or canceled from the total, and you end up with x times x, or x squared. So the dividing of an exponent, when we follow the rule, we subtract, if it's x to the a over x to the b, we subtract the exponents, a minus b. So the reason we subtract the exponent is because each time we have one on the top and the bottom, it cancels out. So that's the basic understanding that we need in order to understand what's happening. So let's take a look at what's happening at x to the 0. When you have x to the 1 over x to the 1, what do you have? Well, we normally know we cancel that out, it becomes 1. Any number divided by itself becomes 1. But when we look at it as an exponent in the exponent rule, right, we have x to the 1 minus the 1 on the bottom, giving us x to the 0. And we say that's 1 because really what's happening is the x is canceled out. So 8 to the 0 really means 8 out of 8, which cancels out to 1. X to the 0 really means x over x, which cancels out and becomes 1. So really what's happening in an exponent to the 0 power is you have something divided by itself. So that's really the main concept of why x to the 0, or any number to the 0, 123 to the 0 is the same as 123 over 123. And 123 divided by itself will always give us 1. So x to the 0 is 1.